Do you feel that it's exhausting trying to keep up with the current algorithms on Instagram, constantly creating video content? Me too, so I've been trying to figure out ways to create short videos more easily. Because I know that, at least for me, sharing on social media is an important thing to market myself as an artist and online teacher. And honestly, I probably should be more on social media, but at the moment, being a mom of a 2-year-old, I also feel that I don't have all the time in the world to do so. So in this class, I will teach you some ideas on how to create short video content. I will call them shortcuts. Yes, you still need to do the work and create the videos, but with these shortcuts, you can spend a lot less time on it. I'm Maja Faber, a pattern designer and online teacher, and in this class I will teach you a few different ways to create video content for social media. We will specifically focus on Instagram Reels, but in the end of class I will also teach you how to quickly repurpose your videos so you can share them on TikTok and YouTube Shorts as well. All to make it feel easier to share short videos online and to make it take less of your time. As a bonus, I've included 2 photo editing presets that you can download for free when you watch this class. When I snap a photo or a video with my phone, I always add a preset. It's a quick way of making a dull photo look fresh and also to have a cohesive photo style within my brand. The free presets are from me and my husband's brand Faber Company, where we create premium resources for creatives, such as Procreate brushes, handwritten fonts, and Lightroom presets. You can check out all of our products in my web shop, majafaber.com/shop. And as a goodie in this class, I've included a 15% discount if you want to buy our preset bundle after watching this class. Watch to the end of class to get the discount. So if you're ready to learn my shortcuts to make video content for social media and to make it feel more fun and less complicated, let's jump into class.